Wait, before you add eggs to your chin chin dough, watch this first. What if I told you that you don't need eggs to make crunchy delicious chin chin that everyone will love? Let me show you the simple recipe that comes out crunchy, perfect every single time without getting hard, and it is budget friendly. So I'll be using some all-purpose flour. I have sugar right there, I have evaporated milk, I have cinnamon, I have nutmeg, I have butter, but I will not be using the butter directly, so follow along to watch the tip and tricks. I will also show you how to get the perfect dough consistency, so do watch till the end. So let's begin by adding the all-purpose flour into a bowl, but note I have already sieved this all-purpose flour. Next is sugar. I have some salt right there, cinnamon, and now I am also grating my nutmeg. If you are new here, welcome. I share simple recipes and food business tips. If you enjoy videos like this, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I will drop a new video. So here is what I did to the butter. I melted it. So this is one of the secrets that will give it that crunchy and delicious taste. It won't be hard at all. And now I'm going to add my evaporated milk into the melted butter to give our chin chin crunchy, not hard taste and texture. Now add the mixture. It is time to add the water, and we have a tip here. Don't add all the water at once. Add it little by little so your dough doesn't come too soft, and a soft dough can make your chin chin absorb more oil, and you wouldn't want that. By the way, I have a video on how to start a profitable chin chin flakes business from the comfort of your home, so the link will be in the description box below. Do check out the video. Now I'll give the dough some time to rest, so I'll cover this up for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is after 15 minutes and my dough has become more firm. It is no longer sticking to the bowl, and it is easy to knead rather, and it will be very easy to cut as well. And it is time for cutting. Roll your dough evenly so all the pieces fry at the same time. And for the cutting, here is a tip. If some pieces are thicker than others, they will cook unevenly. So try to roll them out or cut them out evenly. Now it is frying time, and here is a tip on how to get a delicious, crunchy and flavorful unique taste chinchin. Drop in some onion bulb. This onion will infuse that delicious aroma into the oil. And here is another tip: keep your oil on medium heat. If it is too hot, the outside will brown quickly while the inside stays uncooked. So look at that. The kitchen is full of nice aroma right now. And if you try this recipe, please let me know later how it turns in the comment section. And if this recipe helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I will drop a new video for more recipes and food business tips. And tell me in the comments, do you add eggs to your own chin chin or not? I would love to hear from you. Here is a quick one: 100 pastry simple but unique recipe for food business. Start, grow and profit from food business with my 100 delicious pastries recipe in one cookbook. Perfect for beginners and professionals looking to expand their menu and increase sales. Link will be in the description box below to download yours now. Also, if you love learning profitable skills, I have a collection of cookbooks and online classes covering baking, cooking, tiger nut drinks, healthy beverages, hair treatment and face and skincare recipes. These are practical recipes and methods you can use for yourself or turn into a business. Kindly check the description box below for you to get the link now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.